Hi my friends, it's World Book Day. So today I'm going to read you Fish Don't Sneeze, written by Christy Watson, illustrated by Nina Kaliova. There once lived a fish who had an unusual problem. Choo! He had a bad case of the sneezes. It was making him very unpopular amongst the other sea creatures who had nicknamed him Sneezy. Sorry, can't talk now, Sneezy. Things to do, said one fish. Oh, I can't stop. I'm off to play in this scary shipwreck, said another fish. Is that the time? Got to go, said another. No matter how hard he tried to make friends, no one wanted to play with Sneezy. He felt sad and alone. Why doesn't anyone want to be my friend? He asked one day. Sneezy jumped with an unexpected voice answered him. It's because you're different. They don't understand a fish that sneezes. It's not very normal, said a little fish. Oh, but I want to be normal, said Sneezy sadly. Don't be sad. I'll help you find a way to stop your sneezes. I'm Tinny, by the way. Tinny thought for a moment and smiled. Don't worry, I got a plan. And the first thing we can try is quite unusual. You'll need to swim on the surface of the water, pop your head out, and count to 10. Easy, Tinny told him. Gulp. I've never done that before, Sneezy said nervously. But okay, if you think it might work. Mustering his courage up, he swam slowly at first, then faster and faster until he could see daylight ahead. You can do it, yelled Teddy from below. Sneezy took a deep breath, then bravely popped his head out into the fresh air. He began to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then he dived back under the sea. How do you feel now? Asked Tinny. I feel great. I must have worked because Choo! He sneezed so hard that whoosh! Tiny was sent tumbling head over fin. Oh, it didn't work, said Sneezy miserably. Never mind, I got another idea, said Teddy. The second thing is a bit silly, but this is what you need. Swim around as fast as you can, upside down, and count to 10. Simple. Sneezy felt dizzy at the very thought, but decided to give it a go. Don't worry, you've got this, said Tiny. Sneezy flipped upside down and swam around as quickly as he could. He felt dizzy, but if it worked, it would be worth the trouble. He counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, has it worked? Asked Tiny eagerly. It must have, Sneezy replied. Choo! He sneezed so hard that whoosh! A nearby starfish was sent spinning like a wheel. No, that definitely didn't work, said Tiny. But don't fret, I've got one more idea we can try. This won't be frightening, but the whole point, if you want to stop sneezing, you need a good scare. We just need to think of something that's scary enough. Scared? I'm not sure I like being scared, but okay, I'll give it a go. Sneezy thought for the moment. Then it came to him. The old shipwreck, the scariest place I can think of. Here there's beasts in there who eat little fish just for fun. Sounds like the place, said Tiny. You should swim inside and count to 10. Don't worry, I'll come and wait outside. Sneezy swam gingerly into the dark and eerie wreck. He started to count. 1, 2, 3. He made his way through the shadows. 4, 5. What was that? He was sure he'd said something move. 7, 6, 7, 8. Who's there? He yelled into the darkness. 9, 10. Ah! He swam away as fast as his fins could carry him, almost knocking into Tiny on the way out. Well, don't keep me guessing. Has it worked? Asked Tiny. I'm not sure. Maybe. No, wait. Choo! He sneezed so hard that whoosh! Even the seaweed had to hold on tightly. Nothing has worked, said Tiny. Not swimming to the surface, swimming upside down, or even being frightened in a shipwreck. Perhaps we can try again tomorrow, though. It's okay, said Sneezy. Okay, Tiny asked. I thought you would be very disappointed. Me too. I've had fun today, and I've learned something, Sneezy smiled. I've learned this is who I am. I may be sleazy, but it hasn't stopped me from having fun. I'm happy being different. I'm happy being me. I'm Sneezy. I'm proud. He beamed. And best of all, I found a friend. You helped me when no one else would. You have been through this, have been there through sneezes, big and small. You are the greatest friend any fish could ever hope for. Best friends, they said together. Achoo! The end. Thank you for buying my book. I hope you've enjoyed Fish Don't Sneeze.